Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we have a special package. I actually ordered this from Titan. They are a basketball lifestyle store here in the Philippines. And what's inside this box is what I personally consider to be the best Lebron sneakers of 2019. Something that Costo, of course, one of our favorite sneaker YouTubers, said in his own unboxing review. And I'm just excited to take it out of the box and finally add this to my collection. Patience nga naman truly is key. Let's go! Before we get started, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Guys, if you're looking for men's accessories such as bracelets, rings, watches, glasses, you have to check out Rose Gold and Black. I've been wearing their bracelets, especially their beaded bracelets, for the longest time now, and I'm really happy with them. Now, the great news is they have their holiday sale, wherein you can get 30% off their products. If you use the code HOLIDAY19, you get an additional 15% off. You even get like free worldwide shipping. Now, the discount lasts as long as stocks last or supplies last. So make sure that you guys put in your order now for that necklace, that bracelet, or whatever it is that you love from them now that they have their holiday sale. So Rose Gold and Black, one of the best men's accessories brands that you guys can buy from today. Now, obviously, this is the Titan collaboration with Nike for the Lebron 16 Low. Now, why did I take so long to be able to get this sneaker and unbox this? In fact, when this came out, a lot of you guys were leaving comments, when am I going to unbox the shoe? Well, the truth is, I wanted the special box edition. And they only sold to the public the normal boxes. So I said, no man, if it's just going to be the normal box, I don't want to add it to my collection. So I passed. Now, out of nowhere, Titan just announced that they're selling the special box edition on their website and on their app. I mean, out of nowhere. So, you know, being the excited guy that I am, I put in my order and it finally arrived a few days ago. And it looks so nice. Ah, man. Patience truly is key in this game, guys. This is the special box of the Lebron 16 Titan collaboration, and it is the nicest looking sneaker I've unboxed, or nicest looking box of a sneaker so far for the year. Let's check this out. So here's the box. You have an initial cover that has Tagalog words written on it, para sa kadakilaan, para sa mandirigma, stuff like that. Really nice cover. Really nice way to look at it. And it also has this really kick-ass logo at the center. You have the Titan logo here along the edge. You have the Nike logo on the opposite end. And you have the Lebron logo on either side. And if you slide this one off, you get to the main box, which is still special, not your typical Nike box. And I'm super excited to open it. How do you open it? I want to open it. Oh, so it is one of those magnetic boxes. So this flap over here, so opens and closes. So if you pull this open, oh, it's still not there. So it's still looking so super fly. So again, you have over here, para sa kadakilaan. Kadakilaan. Para sa kadakilaan. Parang hindi ako Pilipino eh. Hindi ko masabi na maayos. But anyway, so that same logo is here on the shoe, or on top of the shoe. And bam, guys, there you have it. This is the Lebron 16 Low collaboration with Titan and Nike. And man, oh man, it just looks super nice. Look at that. Let's take a closer look at the shoe. As you can see, it is dominantly dark blue with an accent of that metallic gold swoosh along the lateral and the medial side. Just like the Lebron 16 Low's Atmos, it has a zipper for the upper part of the shoe. And that's not just for show, because apparently it's supposed to help with containment and lockdown of your foot as you are playing basketball. Inside the zipper, there is a thin piece of cloth which has different logos that are interesting: Fire, Lightning, MNL, or Manila. And I think, I'm not too sure if this is the throne logo of Lebron, but that looks really nice. At the back of the heel, this is where it gets really interesting. You have the Titan logo over there, the hand with the lightning rod, and you have para sa mandarigma, para sa kadakilaan, and all of those words written at the back of the shoe. You have the air unit here at the bottom. You have the laces here in the middle, and yeah, it just looks really nice. It's a nice looking shoe, dope looking shoe. I'm a fan of the Lebron 16 lows. I actually wear the Atmos one a lot, and it's nice to finally have this one in the collection. Now, I've worn the Lebron 16 lows quite a lot, so I'm pretty familiar with how it feels. So while it is primarily a performance and a basketball shoe, you can actually get away by wearing it as a casual lifestyle sneaker because it is actually quite comfortable. If you want to loosen it up a bit so that your feet, breathe, all you have to do is to not just, zip it up, and that should give you a little bit more flexibility. But yeah, really happy with this one. Even more happy to the fact that waiting it out for the special box actually paid off. So yeah, 2 thumbs up, super happy, boom. So that's actually it for our quick vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Lesson of the day, patience is key. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.